It is impossible for a nuclear reactor to explode like a nuclear weapon. Such weapons contain very special materials in very particular configurations, neither of which are present in a nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactors emit no greenhouse gases during operation. Over their full lifetimes, they deliver comparable emissions to renewable forms of energy, such as wind and solar. Nuclear energy requires less land use than most other forms of energy too. Used fuel is being safely shipped by truck, rail and cargo ship today. To date, thousands of shipments have been transported, with no leaks or cracks from the specially designed casks. Used nuclear fuel can be recycled to make new fuel and byproducts. Most of the waste from this process will require a storage time of less than 300 years. Finally, less than 1% is radioactive for 10,000 years. This portion is not much more radioactive than some things found in nature and can be easily shielded to protect humans and wildlife. A Chernobyl-type accident could not have happened outside of the Soviet Union because this type of reactor was never built or operated elsewhere. The known fatalities during the Chernobyl accident were mostly emergency first responders. Of the people known to have received a high radiation dose, the increase in cancer incidence is too small to measure due to the other causes of cancer such as air pollution and tobacco use. All the used nuclear fuel generated in every nuclear plant in the past 50 years would fill a football field to a depth of less than 10 metres, and 96% of this waste can be recycled. Used fuel is currently being safely stored. Scientific advisory panels in every major country support geological disposal of such waste as the preferred safe method for their ultimate disposal. Nuclear energy is as safe or safer than any other form of energy available. No member of the public has ever been injured or killed in the entire 60-year history of commercial nuclear power in the United States, for example. In fact, recent studies have shown that it is safer to work in a nuclear power plant than an office. In the modern world, the demand for energy continues to rise and shows little sign of slowing down anytime soon. Until alternative energy methods can seriously step up to the plate, nuclear energy will remain, unless we all want to spend every evening in the dark, that is.